Today, what I'm going to do is to introduce the special ingredients we've got. The name of the product is Aolin, which is just confectioner sugar. The biggest feature of this is it is very stable against water and heat. So I can say it is very appropriate for crystallization, like making candies. It means it allows us to keep it even in humid environments. Today what I'm going to make is the perfect egg. The egg is not a real egg, it's just candy with a perfect egg shape. What we need for the perfect egg candy is just very simple and little. Aolin for sure, and just 3D egg molds. Let me show you I prepared for this. We just need a little special 3D mold like this. And you can use this kind of mold too. Now we're going to start from now on. The first step, put your Aolin into a pot without water. We're going to use just 100 grams approximately. If you have a smaller mold than ours, you can just use like 90 grams of Aolins or something like that. Now what I'm going to do is just heat it up to 170 degrees. And you don't need to pour water in it, because Aolin is able to melt without moisture completely. And when your Aolin's temperature is around 150 degrees, you can just remove it from the heat. Now it's heated up until 150 degrees, right? And it's okay. You still can see something in your Aolin. Aolin's temperature is around 150 degrees, as I said before. It's okay, you can see something in your Aolin, but it's gonna melt away with the remaining heat. You're gonna use this mold with the funnel as you need. Pour your Aolin into egg mold. Don't do this too slowly. Your egg might come out with layers. No smooth. Now I'm going to remove the funnel, and I am actually counting to 25 to 30 seconds. I'm going to just pour it out from the egg mold, because if we remain this one too long, your egg will be very thick. Now it's time to lay an egg. Let's lay. Wow, it's very shiny and white and awesome egg. And what is this? You also can see the useless part, right? But you can remove very easily. It is still so hot actually, because it comes up from the mold, but it's still over 100 degrees. And look at this thickness that I made just before. But if you like to make a thinner your perfect egg, just counting to probably 10 or 15 seconds. Now I'm gonna show you what I made. This is dessert with Panna Cotta pudding and egg yolk. Now let's look at this dessert. Ooh, what is this? It's a cooked egg? Oh my goodness. Okay, now it's time to taste this. It's so creamy and so elastic and so smooth.